Merry Christmas Eve, guys. Take a look at Palantir stock go. What a great way to kick off Christmas Eve, man. Going into Christmas tomorrow. This is wild. Palantir is up another 1.5% today. And earlier, guys, we almost hit $85 per share. Yeah, we were up a lot more than just 1.5% earlier in the day. And guys, all the indexes are in the green as well today. So we have to do an update on the charts for Palantir, the stock market, what I'm looking to do. But first, smash that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, if you ask me, that's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to starsurfest.com/Moomoo. And now, cheers. Let's get into it. So, man, another all-time high for Palantir stock was hit at $84.80 this morning, which at one point, that means, guys, we were up over 5% on Palantir stock, as if it hasn't been going up like crazy already, right? So we went up another 5% this morning, blew up right out of the gate. I mean, geez, right at open, this stock went from $81 all the way to $85 in about 20-30 minutes. And since that point, we have sold off. We're down to about $82 now. So we have gotten a nice little 3% healthy pullback on PLTR, which on this 5-day, 5-minute, let's pull this up. You guys can see the chart still looks really healthy, obviously, right? With today's move in the morning, we took out the highs from yesterday. Now we're pulling back and looking to hold a higher low right by these moving averages on this 5-day, 5-minute. Like I said, we look really good on this chart. On the 30-minute chart, PLTR is looking phenomenal as well. And do you guys remember the ascending triangle we called out? Literally, it might have been in my update yesterday, or definitely in the one before that, the day before that. Either way, we talked about this triangle that was setting up, and lo and behold, here we are. It's playing out. Look at that, guys. We broke out of $83, $82.50 today, which was resistance throughout this entire month. We hit it a couple times, nothing crazy. And during this month, as we got, kept getting rejected at $82.50, $83, we were making higher lows all throughout this month. So now we're finally breaking out of there. You guys see with that move to $84.50 or $84.80, we took out that high again. All-time highs hit, and the triangle looks like it's playing out. Now we've pulled back. We're retesting $82, old resistance, as support. Now the million-dollar question is, guys, will we bounce off of it again? Will we rally off $82, hold it as support, and make a move back to the mid-80s? That's kind of what I'm waiting for here as we're wrapping up the day slowly in about an hour. And an hour from now, when I'm making this video, the market will be closed. It's Christmas Eve, obviously, so we're done at 1 p.m. East Coast time today. And tomorrow, Christmas Day, the stock market is closed, as I'm sure you guys already know at this point. You should know that by now, guys. I mean, come on. The stock market open on Christmas. Where the heck have you been, right? If you thought the stock market's open on Christmas. But yeah, we're looking great on this chart like we have been for quite some time, all year, pretty much on PLTR. There have been times throughout the year, where things were flat. Maybe it's been boring for the stock, but recently, guys, it has not been boring. It's been wild, as you guys know. So yeah, that looks really good. And on the 4-hour chart, you kind of can see the overall triangle even better that we called out. We're obviously bouncing off the 180 SMA here. We're popping off the 50 SMA as well for PLTR on PLTR. This looks really good. So in my opinion, guys, as crazy as it sounds, we might be going higher to wrap up the year. Seriously. I mean, we have a couple more trading days in 2024. We have Thursday, Friday this week. I think we have Monday, Tuesday of the following week. So we still have like 3 or 4 more days here of trading. So we might get more upside. Seriously. I mean, the triangle's playing out. You also could say this is a cup and handle breakout in the making. I mean, kind of. You guys see it there, maybe on the 1-hour chart better. You guys see the cut, the handle. That is seriously in the making as well. So, I mean, this looks bullish. You could argue there's more upside on the horizon before we wrap up the year. What do you guys think about that? I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And by the way, I mean, all the indexes right now are moving. It's not like Palantir is the only green out there. I mean, it's not. I mean, there's so much green out there today. S&P's up 0.8% right now. SPY's moving and grooving, continuing the uptrend. QQQ is up over 1%, also continuing the uptrend here, looking really good. The Russell 2000 looks amazing as well. Nice, healthy pullback. The chart is looking great. The uptrend's holding, so I'm actually liking IJR, a small cap ETF I've mentioned. I'm liking this heading into the new year. I'm not in it right now, but I'm considering adding some shares on the dip here, more as a trade, for me right now. And the Dow Jones also looking good. Uptrend's holding. We're bouncing off the 180 SMA. We're at 43,000 points, looking pretty good, holding that higher low. I could see this going back towards 45,000. I really could. Maybe at some point. In January, February, we'll see how the year kicks off. I'm actually very curious to see how the year kicks off, guys. As I believe, once the year, once 2023 ended, it was like a shift in the stock market. We just went ballistic. Actually, no, that was 22. Excuse me. Even in 2023, actually, when 23 ended, we went bananas to kick off the new year. Same thing in 22 when 22 ended. Either way, I'm curious to see how we go this go around when this year ends into the new year. Will we repeat what we did last year, the year before that, or will we sell off to kick off the new year? I mean, let's see, man. It's anybody's best guess, look, we're already rebounding here to end off the new year. Or this year after we got CPI data. So let's say if we didn't rebound, I would think we'd rebound in January if we headed into the new year oversold. But now that we're already rebounding, heading into the new year, it's like, will this rebound continue? Is it a fake out in January? Then we sell off in January. It's like, it could go either way now. It really could. But I'm almost leaning towards a rally in January as Trump gets into office, and then February, it's anybody's guess, right? But I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, as always, about that. But yeah, that's a quick breakdown on PLTR, the indexes here. I would cover other stocks, but we're running out of time here, guys, maybe in the next video. So make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, check out the Patreon and the email list. Make sure to get in there, guys, linked down below. And you know what else is linked down below? Your free stocks for Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And guys, overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, if you ask me, come on, guys, it's a no-brainer. So get on it. Use that link down below, or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.